Hello student, now we are going to discuss about geography paper first, that is GG 401 human geography. We have to study the branches of human geography. Human geography is a branch of geography that deals with the study of people and their communities, culture, economies and interaction with the environment. Human geography deals with the study of man and his activities on the Earth's surface. Human geography is subdivided into social geography, economic geography, and cultural geography. The branches of human geography are economic and social geography. Thus, economic branch of geography, the economic geography is the branch in which different branches are studied, like agricultural geography, industrial geography, commercial geography, transportation geography, tourism geography, marketing geography, geography of resources, etc. In the sub branch of uh, human geography, that is the social geography, in which different sub branches are studied. These are population geography, settlement geography, cultural geography, political geography, historical geography, military geography, behavioral geography, medical geography, etc. Economic geography, in this branch of human geography, the spatial variations in the economic activities are studied. In this branch, various human occupations like agriculture, manufacturing of goods, means of transportation and communication, etc. are studied. आर्थिक भूगोल, मानवी लोकसंख्या व त्या प्रदेशाची त्या देशाची किंवा प्रदेशाची आर्थिक प्रगती यांचा एकमेकांशी फार जवळचा संबंध आहे. एखाद्या देशात मानवी गरजांपेक्षा त्या देशाची एकूण उत्पादन क्षमता जास्त असेल तर ते लक्षण आर्थिक सुबत्तेचे मानले जाते. पण जर मानवी गरजा ह्या त्या देशाच्या उत्पादन क्षमतेच्या तुलनेत जास्त असतील तर त्या देशाच्या आर्थिक प्रगतीस खीळ बसते. देशातील एकूण साधन संपदा व मानवी लोकसंख्या यांचे प्रमाण संतुलित असेल तर तो देश पर्याप्त लोकसंख्येचा असतो. In economic geography, different branches are studied. Among them, agriculture geography is one. In this branch, the studies this branch studies the agricultural activities of a man, including spatial variations of agricultural activities over the surface of the earth and influence of geographical factors on agriculture. Then resource geography. It is concerned with the study of resources, distribution, utilization of resources, availability for development, etc. Then industrial geography. In the study of industrial geography, the variations of places for industrial activities are considered. Location, various services like banking, etc. are studied. Then transportation geography. It is con- concentrated with the study of mobility of goods and people, routes and modes of transportation, accessibility, etc., and the control of geographical factors. Then the commercial geography, transportation geography, tourism geography, marketing geography, etc. sub branches are studied in human geography. Then social geography. Social geography deals with the study of human communities, occupation, social patterns, etc., and also studies the human society and social phenomenon in spatial context. Population geography. Population geography deals with the study of human population, their growth, density, distribution, composition, and other demographic attributes. Then settlement geography, Wasahat Bhugol. This branch studies the human settlements, their spatial distribution, patterns, shapes, size, and evolution, influence of various geographical factors on settlements. Cultural geography. Cultural geography refers to the aesthetic and intellectual achievements of civilization. This branch deals with the study of cultural aspects of man, such as his clothing, housing, tools, language, religion, food habits, and their variations in time and space. Then the another branch of human geography is political geography. Political geography is concerned with the study of political units, that is, states and nations in relation to their geographical settings. Geopolitics and geostrategy are the important themes of political geography. Historical geography. Urban geography studies the urban centers, that is, towns and cities, their morphology, origin, spatial patterns, functions, evolutions, etc. Then anthropogeography. The term anthropogeography was first coined by German geographer Friedrich Ratzel. This field focuses on the study of the products of a human social life, in relation to the environment. It deals with the study of races of mankind, their origin, evolution, their physical characteristics. Then medical geography. It is a recently developed branch in the field of human geography. It deals with the study of various diseases and their geographical causes, diffusion of various distribution of healthcare systems, etc. In this way, there are some branches of human geography. Next will be continued. Thank you.